want to win your disability case, say this one sentence to your medical providers consistently, and it could change the outcome. I want this sentence in all my clients' medical records because if it's true, Social Security's ears are going to perk up and they're going to pay attention to your case if it's in your medical records. Here it is. Because of my condition, I cannot continuously, regularly show up to work without excessive breaks. It does not need to be that compound sentence. If you're someone that just needs extra breaks for the bathrooms, that's fine. If your doctors are documenting that you have a stomach issue and you need to frequently use the bathroom, that's fine. It's still a good statement for your record. Social Security is going to pay extra attention to it. It doesn't need to be also that you're not going to be reliable and you're not going to be continuously showing up. They can all be done separately or documented separately in your medical records. The reason statements like this work in your medical records is because if you're unable to show up to work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, or a functional equivalent working 6 days a week with a little less than 8 hours a day, you are going to be found disabled. Social Security has tolerances or amounts of time you're allowed to be off task. And if you're going to be, for example, in the bathroom more than the regularly allotted breaks, that's 2 15-minute breaks and typically a 30-minute lunch break. If you need extra breaks on top of that, and it's documented that you need those breaks and that there's objective and subjective reports that you need those breaks, that's going to be good evidence for your Social Security case. In addition, if you're going to miss work because, for example, you have a flare-up of some kind of arthritic condition or something that causes your joints to swell occasionally, and it's documented that you're consistently going to have some kind of flare-up or thing that's going to be consistently taking you out of work and making you unreliable, Social Security will find you disabled because under their rules, if you're going to miss more than 1 day a month, typically that will lead to a Social Security favorable disability finding. If you want help with your Social Security case, specifically how to frame it for your doctors and for an administrative law judge, that's what we do best. You can DM us or contact us from the phone number in the bio below.